Hello guys, in this video I'll show you a coding CLI agent which is offering free access to all the AI models. The name of the coding agent is Kimchi, Kimchi AI. If you go to Google, directly type this, the very first link which comes. It's an open source AI coding agent. This is their official website, kimchi.dev. So now to install this for Windows, it's very simple. You open PowerShell, directly copy this command to install this. I have already installed it. So once you get install this, go to the directory wherever you are developing the project. So as you can see, I have already, these are all the commands here. Model. So if you're doing it for the very first time, just type here Kimchi, Kimchi, and then it will directly open this CLI agent. The interface looks something like this. It is totally free and unlimited. You will see 0% context, and you will see simply say slash model. And these are all the models which are completely free. Kimi K2.7, MiniMax M3, Pneumotron, DeepSeek version 4 Flash. So you can use any model. So let's suppose I use Kimi K2. I simply type a message. So you can see it is responding to me. Hi, how can I help you today? It's consume these much of tokens, everything. So I'm using it for past 6 months and it is not giving me any kind of subscription notice. So it's totally free and unlimited. So let me ask a question here. Top Node.js frameworks in 2026. So now it is doing the research and automatically doing the web research here, opening the internet, and now it is giving you the top 10 frameworks. So some models are rate limited until, so it will automatically retry, or you can switch it to another model. Multi-model is the best approach. Simply select, by default it's selected multi-model. If you do want to switch to any other model, just stick to this multi-model because it will try out every model in the coding agent. If one doesn't work, it switch to the next model. So again, I ask the question. So let me just restart Kimchi. You will see. I will also show you a full stack coding application, how much time it takes. So first of all, let me ask a question. Top Node.js frameworks in 2026. So you can see we simply install this and it is doing the web research, opening and then giving you the top 10 frameworks. These are the context windows out there. You will see it is completely open source. So they also have a Kimchi Studio as well apart from CLI. It is coming soon. If you do want to check out their source code, it's on GitHub right here. So you will see that it has almost 2000 GitHub stars. This is all the source code which is available. So it's available on Linux, Mac, Windows. So it's a cross-platform software. So each and every model that you see right here, Kimi K2.6, MiniMax, Pneumotron, all these models are available. You can type the escape key to cancel out. So you can see that now it is giving you the top 10 frameworks. So I can simply say build a image to PDF web app in browser. So what you can do, you can select any other model. Let me switch to DeepSeek. So now it is actually creating a full stack image to PDF application. Let me plan the architecture and then build out. So you can, if one model is not working, you can switch to the other model. Like in this case, I switched to DeepSeek, so it is perfectly working now. So it's actually rate limited, the actual AI models. So that's why you get this error, because it is completely free. Many users are using it at the same time. So that's why sometimes you can get these errors at peak times. So if you use it at late night, then you will not get these errors. So I've built out numerous applications using this Kimchi AI coding terminal agent. So you can type the escape key to cancel the request, and again you can switch to another model. Let's suppose this time I want to use MiniMax. So you can see it is building a single page image to PDF application. It is written out all the steps. So now it is building step by step. So you can see that. So definitely try this, guys. It's open source AI coding agent Kimchi, which is free and limited. Try out these models. Definitely try this.